Hi, I'm JJ Virgin, celebrity nutrition and fitness expert of jjvirgin.com, and today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite techniques for healthy cooking. And before I go into that, let me give you just the basic premise of healthy cooking that you might not have heard before. When I think of this, I think of eating locally, seasonally, organically whenever possible, and also rotating your foods. So what that means is you need to make friends with your local farmer's market. You're going to save a lot of money and you're going to get the inside scoop on what's fresh and what's healthy. So start there. That's the easiest way to go. And when I talk about rotation, we all tend to get stuck in food ruts, you know what I mean, where you eat the same thing day in, day out. Now, I'm a big fan of when you're cooking dinner, making enough for leftovers for the next day. That's great for cooking healthy, but not the next day and the day after and the day after and the day after. You get what I mean. When you're going to cook healthy, you need to start with the right equipment. So invest in some great cast iron or stainless steel pans. Dump the non-stick, okay? Not healthy. And also, a great tip is to have a crock pot. It is amazing how healthy and inexpensively you can cook when you have a crock pot. All you need to do is get some organic chicken broth, throw in some vegetables, throw in some lentils, cut up a little bit of chicken, throw it in, and you've got a great meal when you get home from work. Now, when I look at what other things that we can do here, one of the easiest ways to cook healthy is to lower your overall carbohydrates, like lower the carbs in your rice, your pasta, your potatoes, and up the vegetables, because you're going to get a lot more nutrition with less calories. The other thing that I like to teach people to do is use herbs. They're your friend here. We tend to make foods with more fat and more sugar, but herbs can give you that zing, that spice, that great delicious taste that you're looking for. One of my favorite healthy recipes is to get a load of non-starchy vegetables. I really like, and I want you to try this because you're going to hear this and go, ooh, try taking Brussels sprouts, chopping them in half, giving them a little bit of an olive oil boost, not a ton, getting a little bit of fresh sea salt, okay, and then an herb medley, and then throwing them in the oven at 425 and roasting them till they get a little crunchy. Try this. It is delicious. You'll never want to eat French fries again. Now, if I'm sweetening, a sweet treat to me is going to be having some berries. And if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, try throwing in some sliced almonds, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla. And if you really need to sweeten something, use a little xylitol, Xylitol, a much better sugar substitute than anything artificial. It's actually natural, and it won't raise blood sugar. I'm JJ Virgin, and those are my top techniques for healthy cooking.